Alright, it's a 95 Suburban. I'm changing the fuel pump and the whole sending unit. I've seen a lot of videos. I really couldn't find one that gave measurements. So I ended up with a 12 by 12. And it looks like in order to disconnect that there, I'm either going to have a hard time or I should have went 18 by 18. So anyway, we help somebody else out. We'll go to about center of the unit. That's about center. Over here, you got about 19 to the weather stripping, to the center of that unit. Alright. Now, it looks like coming in here, I'm about 2 inches off. So center of the unit. Coming over, I should have cut it at maybe 9. I really tried to do this real square so that I can put it back as a nice access panel. But now I'm probably going to have to cut that 3 inches off just so I'm not fighting. But anyway, it's pretty much you just go center from side to side. And then to measure up, what I did is I went underneath, and there's a support running across, and I measured where that was at underneath, coming from the edge and over to it. But you ain't got to do that if you got my video now, because like I said, center of that unit is 19 to the weather stripping, and then again center from side to side. I think it was 2 foot. The back here is 4 foot. I hope that helps someone out.